In today's video, we delve into the crucial topic of money management and financial awareness, emphasizing the importance of understanding personal finance to avoid unnecessary losses. Many individuals navigate their financial journeys without a clear grasp of their spending habits, savings, and investment strategies, which can lead to significant financial pitfalls. Experiences like these serve as a reminder that even small, overlooked details can accumulate and result in substantial losses over time. By fostering a deeper understanding of personal finance, we can empower ourselves to make informed decisions that enhance our financial well-being. We encourage you to take this journey with us as we explore practical tips and strategies to manage your money effectively. If you find this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with your friends and family. Together, we can create a community that prioritizes financial awareness and helps each other navigate the complexities of money management. Let's work towards a future where we all feel confident in our financial decisions and avoid the pitfalls that can lead to losing money unknowingly. In this segment, we will discuss the first point from the list, which addresses the dangers of avoiding financial realities. Ignoring financial responsibilities and shying away from important conversations can lead to dire consequences. Many individuals tend to overlook their financial situations, thinking that by avoiding the topic, they can escape the stress associated with it. However, this approach often results in wasted money and missed opportunities for growth. Facing financial facts is essential. It allows us to understand our current standing and make informed decisions moving forward. By confronting our financial realities, we can identify areas where we may be overspending or failing to save adequately. It's crucial to recognize that seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but rather a proactive step towards better financial health. Engaging with financial advisors can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your unique situation. Additionally, open communication with partners about finances fosters transparency and teamwork, ensuring that both parties are aligned in their financial goals. By addressing these financial realities head-on, we can take control of our financial futures and avoid the pitfalls that come from ignorance. Remember, facing the facts is the first step toward achieving financial stability and success. In this section, we will explore the significant impact of social media on our financial decisions and spending habits. Social media platforms are filled with curated lifestyles that often set unrealistic expectations for what we should be achieving financially. As we scroll through images of luxury vacations, designer clothing, and extravagant experiences, it's easy to feel pressured to keep up with these portrayals of success. This constant comparison can lead to impulsive spending and a distorted view of what is necessary for a fulfilling life. It's essential for viewers to be mindful of their financial choices and recognize that what they see online often represents a highlight reel rather than the full picture. Instead of measuring our worth or success against others, we should focus on our personal financial goals and values. Establishing a clear understanding of what we want to achieve financially allows us to make informed decisions that align with our unique circumstances. By prioritizing our own financial well-being over societal pressures, we can cultivate a healthier relationship with money. Remember, it's not about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about creating a financial path that works for you and supports your long-term aspirations. Stay true to your goals and let that guide your spending decisions. Many individuals make the mistake of keeping their money in low-interest accounts, which can significantly hinder their financial growth. While these accounts may offer safety, the returns are often minimal, failing to keep pace with inflation. This means that over time, the purchasing power of your savings diminishes, leading to potential losses rather than gains. To combat this, we encourage viewers to consider high-yield savings accounts or investment options that can provide better returns on their money. These alternatives not only help your savings grow, but also allow you to take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly increase your wealth over time. However, it's essential to strike a balance between having accessible funds and earning interest. While it's important to have liquidity for emergencies or immediate needs, allocating a portion of your savings to higher yield options can enhance your financial stability in the long run. By being strategic about where you place your money, you can ensure that your savings work harder for you. Remember, effective savings management is not just about setting money aside. It's about making informed choices that maximize your financial potential. In this section, we will discuss the significance of understanding the value of your time. Many people overlook the importance of calculating their hourly rate, which can lead to better financial decisions. By determining how much you earn per hour, you can evaluate whether certain tasks or jobs are worth your time. This understanding can significantly shift your career path or inspire you to pursue side hustles that align with your financial goals. For instance, if you find that your current job pays less than what you could earn through freelance work or a side business, it may be time to reassess your priorities. Valuing your time in relation to financial gain is crucial. It allows you to make informed choices about how you spend your hours. Whether it's deciding to take on extra work, investing in education, or even outsourcing tasks, knowing your worth can lead to more strategic decisions that enhance your financial well-being. Additionally, this mindset encourages you to focus on activities that yield the highest returns, both financially and personally. By recognizing that time is a finite resource, you can prioritize opportunities that not only pay well, but also contribute to your overall happiness and fulfillment. Remember, time is money, and understanding its value is key to achieving your financial aspirations. In this section, we will explore the concept of budgeting and the importance of saving a portion of your income. Establishing a budget is essential for managing your finances effectively, as it allows you to allocate funds for various expenses while ensuring you have a margin for savings and investments. This margin is crucial. It acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses and provides opportunities for future growth. We encourage viewers to adapt their savings percentages based on their unique financial situations. For instance, if you're just starting out, you might aim to save 10% of your income, while those with more financial stability may choose to save 20% or more. It's important to find a balance that works for you. Additionally, prioritizing debt repayment is vital in your budgeting process. High-interest debts can quickly erode your financial security, so addressing these should be a top priority. By focusing on paying down debt while simultaneously saving, you can create a more secure financial future. Remember, budgeting is not just about restricting spending. It's about making informed choices that lead to financial stability and growth. By implementing a thoughtful budgeting strategy, you can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial life. In this section, we will discuss the importance of proactive financial growth over mere cost-cutting. While reducing expenses can provide short-term relief, it is essential to focus on strategies that promote long-term financial success. Encouraging viewers to take calculated risks in their careers and investments can lead to greater rewards. Embracing opportunities for advancement, whether through pursuing a new job, seeking promotions, or investing in stocks, can significantly enhance your financial situation. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between proactive growth and healthy motivations. Growth should stem from a desire to improve your financial well-being rather than fear or anxiety about money. This mindset shift can empower you to make decisions that align with your values and aspirations. Additionally, setting meaningful financial goals is vital in this journey. Goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Whether it's saving for a home, funding education, or planning for retirement, having clear objectives can guide your financial decisions and encourage you to take the necessary risks. Remember, financial growth is not just about cutting costs. It's about creating opportunities that lead to a more prosperous future. By prioritizing proactive strategies, you can build a solid foundation for lasting financial success. In this section, we will emphasize the necessity of tracking spending for better financial control. Monitoring your expenses is a powerful tool that can reveal spending patterns you may not even be aware of. By keeping a close eye on where your money goes, you can identify areas where you might be overspending or making unnecessary purchases. This awareness is the first step toward making informed financial decisions. We encourage viewers to create a budget as a practical way to manage their finances effectively. A well-structured budget not only helps you allocate funds for essential expenses, but also allows you to set aside money for savings and investments. By establishing clear financial boundaries, you can ensure that your spending aligns with your goals and values. Additionally, being aware of where your money is going fosters a sense of accountability and control over your financial situation. It empowers you to make adjustments as needed, whether that means cutting back on discretionary spending or reallocating funds to more important priorities. Remember, tracking your spending is not just about restricting yourself. It's about gaining insight into your financial habits and making proactive choices that lead to greater financial stability. By taking charge of your finances, you can pave the way for a more secure future. In this section, we will introduce 3 personal tips to enhance your financial management. First and foremost, we encourage viewers to create a budget as a foundational step for proactive financial planning. A well-structured budget allows you to allocate your income effectively, ensuring that you cover essential expenses while also setting aside funds for savings and investments. By having a clear financial plan, you can make informed decisions that align with your goals. Secondly, it's crucial to prioritize paying off debts, especially high-interest ones. Reducing your debt not only alleviates financial stress, but also saves you money in the long run by minimizing interest payments. By focusing on debt repayment, you can free up more of your income for savings and investments, ultimately enhancing your financial stability. Lastly, we want to highlight the benefits of giving and its positive impact on your financial mindset. Engaging in acts of generosity, whether through donations or helping others, can foster a sense of abundance and gratitude. This mindset shift can lead to better financial decisions and a more positive relationship with money. By incorporating these 3 tips, creating a budget, paying off debts, and embracing generosity, you can significantly enhance your financial management and work towards a more secure future. In this section, we will summarize the key points discussed in the video regarding strategies to avoid losing money. We explored the importance of understanding personal finance and the need to face financial realities rather than ignoring them. We emphasized the significance of tracking spending to gain insights into your financial habits and the necessity of creating a budget for proactive financial planning. Additionally, we discussed the value of paying off debts to save on interest and highlighted the benefits of giving, which can positively impact your financial mindset. Now that you have these strategies at your disposal, we encourage you to take action. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Furthermore, we invite you to explore related financial content available on our channel for further learning. There's a wealth of information designed to help you enhance your financial management skills and achieve your goals. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.